Hello everyone! Welcome to my channel, Busy Moment. Today, I'm going to unbox another item from Shopee that I can use in my car. Please watch my video. Hi guys! Unbox na natin itong item na to from Shopee. Binili ko to para sa aking sasakyan. By the way, thank you to JNT Express again for the safety of my package. Thank you din sa mga nag-deliver sa JMP because they are nice. Okay. So, I'm sorry for the box. Siguro lang nayupi. But I hope the item is okay. And the other one. Okay, so I bought two cellphone car holders para sa sasakyan. Okay, let's unbox now. Hindi ko na kailangang guntingin. Binili ko to sa Shopee para actually itong item na to para meron akong holder sa cellphone ko. Magagamit ko siya pag for example may tatawag sa akin, hindi ko na kailangang kunin ang cellphone ko sa bag. Okay? Kasi napaka-inconvenient and pag ikaw ay nagde-drive, tapos nagre-ring sa bag mo yung cellphone, hindi mo na siya kukunin pa. Nandito na sa holder na to. So, let me show you guys. Magagamit ko rin to kapag when I'm using Waze or Google Map, no? Para mas convenient sa driver. Dalawa yung binili ko para the other one is for the pilot. For the pilot and for the co-pilot. No, I'm just joking. Itong isa, para sa spare ko. In case na hindi ito mag-work, meron pa akong gagamitin. Meron akong spare. Laging dalawa ang binibili ko para meron ako laging spare. Kasi napaka-inconvenient ng pagkailangan mo, saka ka lang uli o order. And mas magandang umorder online kasi bukod sa pandemic, hindi tayo makakalabas, bawal. Madaling mamili pag online. Marami kang pagpipilian. And mababait naman yung mga seller. They are very accommodating. Pag mayroon kang mga inquiries, sumasagot naman sila sa mga text mo. So far, hindi pa naman ako naka-encounter ng seller na hindi ako in-accommodate. Okay guys, ito yung suction cup. dinidikit ito sa dashboard or anywhere you like, no? That is convenient for you. So I'll show you how to assemble this thing. So ayan, alisin nyo lang yung plastic, idikit nyo sa dashboard, sa kotse nyo, and then pwede nyo nang magamit sa cellphone. Ito yung lalagyan ng cellphone. So this is very useful for me and for all the drivers out there. So I think this is it. Thank you. So guys, this is the end of my video. I hope you had fun, you enjoyed, and learned something from my video. And if you have any inquiries or questions, don't forget to comment down below. And please don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much. I appreciate it.